Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, then you're in luck because today we're gonna learn how to draw a crab. Okay, so before we get started on our crab, let's make sure that we have the colors that we need in order to finish our drawing. As always, I use a black for the outline, and then today we're going to use 3 shades of red, a dark red, a medium red, and a light red, in order to color in our crab. Okay, so let's get started on our drawing. I want to start by drawing the bottom shape of the crab. It's eventually going to look kind of like an almond shape or like an eyeball shape, but we need to go ahead and get that bottom line done on our crab. Okay, so we have the bottom line done on our crab, and now we're going to need to give him little legs on each side, and we're going to do 3 legs on each side. We're going to do 2 big legs and 1 little leg, and they're going to come out like this and then back up, and then out like this and back up, and then we're just going to do a little one like this. And we're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to go down and like this, back up, down like this, and back up, and like that. Okay, and so now we need to get started on the top of our crab. And because this top line is going to kind of intersect with what's going on, we're going to draw this top line last. But we can imagine that there's a top curve about the same like this, just going across the top up here. Okay. So let's go ahead and draw his eyes. And so we need to draw a line like this and up like that. Okay, and then on top of it, we want to put a circle. Okay, and then we're going to want to do one right beside it. So we're going to do down like that and back up, and then a big circle on top like that. Okay, and then inside of it, we want to draw a C shape in this one, and then a little C shape to close it off. Okay, and then we want to go backwards on this one. So backward C shape and a little backward C to close it off. And then we'll just use the black outline that we have to color these in. And these are his eyes. Okay. And then we need to, beside this, we're going to do his arms, his claws. And so we're going to do a similar line like we did here below his eyes, but we're going to do it a little bit bigger. So we're going to go like this. And then we'll do a little circle like this on top. Okay. And then his claw is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go up like this on one side, a big curve here. And then we're going to do a little bit smaller curve on this side. Okay. And then we need to start about right here. So just below where this tip ends, we're going to do a little curve up and connect. And then not quite at the bottom, but just above, about right here, we're going to connect this edge of the claw to here. And so we're going to go like this. Okay? And we're going to do this same thing on this side over here. Okay? So we're going to draw our line like this. Draw a little round cap on it. And then we're going to come up really big on this side. We're going to come about midway with the curve on this side. We're going to do a curve, like I said, just below on the inside of this other one. We're going to come up and connect up here. And then we're going to connect down like that to the middle there. Okay? And then now we need to connect. Like I said, imagine that there is a line similar to this curve down here, but just goes above, okay? So we need to connect through all of these. Look at that. Okay, now we need to give him a little bit of a personality. So we're going to give him a little smiley face right there. And I'm going to give him some silly eyebrows that stick out above his eyes. Okay, and there we go. And now we finished drawing. Now we need to color. Okay, so I'm going to start with my lightest red, so like a pink color. And I'm going to do a curve across his belly that's going to come just below his mouth. So start about right there and just do a curve, and we're going to color that in completely right here. Okay, and then that's the only place that we're going to need this light red, this light pink. And so we're going to go with our medium color here. And we're going to go above this line here and almost all the way to the top. So let's just go ahead and do a line just below the top that kind of follows that curve. Okay, and then we're going to fill in all the space in between. Okay, in between, there we go. And there. Okay, so next we want to color in his hands, his claws. And so I'm going to do a line just along the edge here and then color in everything to the right. And we'll go to the other claw and we'll do the same thing along the right side. We'll color just along the edge here and we'll color everything to the left. Okay, and then now it's time to get that last red, that darkest red, and we're going to fill in the rest of it. And so we're going to do dark red here, and then we're going to leave a little space of white to the left and color up to there. And we're going to do our dark red here and leave a little space of white to the right to match right there. And then we're going to color in this eye and this eye. And then we're going to come down here, leave a little space of white just above. And we'll fill this one in completely. And then, like I said here, a little bit of space of white above. And then this one in completely. And there we go. We finished our crab. And I think he looks awesome. Do a little crab dance. Thank you guys so much for visiting and coloring with me today. And I can't wait to see you again. Hold on, before you go. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and you click that bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video is released. And if you just like to color, you can pick through any of the library of the drawings that we've done so far on the show by going to DoodleToots.com/color, and you can download those coloring pages and color all day. Until next time, see ya.